Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, man. Don't know there upon it. There, man. I'm a boy, Rocky. You see me? Don't know. If you're new, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. This is how we do. Straight oil, we make coconut, we hunt, we do farming, everything. Come here, my boy, Rocky. So, yeah, it's actually not my scheme. You see? So, yeah, I'm link a lady and she tell me, say, a whole heap of coconut down in the bush thing, so. Boy, Rocky, I wonder if you can come there, so. Things look scary, Rocky. Things look scary, my G. Oh, me even gonna reach my coconut, Rocky. How we gonna do this now? Rocky, how we gonna do this? Rocky, how we gonna go in there, Rocky? Come G before I sting you. Because my place is going to be full of us right now. Don't know. I pressure this. This a pressure, bro. Can't go to right now. I'm going to answer what's going to kill me right now. Judge, brother. And over there, so the coconut them there, no? Judge. Rocky, what we going to do? Rocky, what do you think for the Rocky? Answer me, no, my youth. Yo, Rocky, what do you think for do? See, you can walk over the people in the other way, so. Oh, I think I look tired, my boy. Right, Rocky, I'll go for the next play now. Come here, Rocky, come here. Come. I'll for the next year, Rocky, believe me. Rocky, I walk around, come. I'll go on, so. Rocky, you see a little bush, them taller than you. Alright. Alright. Them say, where is a will? There's a hope. Come here, my boy. We're not left you behind. Oh, you're busy enough. You're good enough, Rocky, right now. Oh, but that tree over this one. Hold it and look. Don't know. Shall we make cutlass, you know? Plant this plant, so, bro. No, it's a coconut right now. I plant this, we plant, you know. It's a coconut tree, this, you know. This right is how we are see right now. It's a coconut tree, you know, bro. Couple down here well still. See if we can get few of them. See if we can get few of them. See me and Rocky. Go check out here, what kind of broke up? You come here and see us something. Come here to no good night, Rocky. What a big coat that tree here for him. Yo, stay back, bro. Be a macadamia, so go back. Go back. Be a macadamia, so go back. Hey, go back. Go on back now. Stay back. The money grow right out from. I just need a little more time with you. Just a whole heap, you know. Big, you know, bro. You know. Alright, my side. See it here? See it here, my side. One bag load, you know. Me and Rocky get, you know. Come here, Rocky. Come here. John, my bag heavy, bro. Try to look at me, I don't want to suck a pop out. Suck a pop, you know. Come, Rocky, come. John, now. I'm not going to bring this in now. Alright, here we go. I'll pause the video and reach home. Here right now. Alright, so I have to do it too now. I have to show now where I go on and I make a move. Couldn't wait till I reach. Yes, I'm reaching now. See them there? Yeah, bro. Big and pretty, you know? We'll have to skip some of the process of showing you what I go on, but on other videos still. You hear me? I come. See size them here. Let me size them and get out of them. So much. Them huge size, but them are grow out as you can see right so. The I-90 messed up means it a grow out. Coconut tree like this as we just show you. It's beautiful that here.
Well, I was on TikTok when I was 5 or 4 or something like that. I don't know.
Alright. Yeah. So showing the oil process method. How we make the oil, all of that soon and very soon. Well, I can show now some cold press I already make still. Yeah. This is some, you can see. You know what I mean? Yeah, so this one you scoop it out, put in your frying pot, and you can take out some maybe for your skin, in your ear, boil it with garlic, you name it, anything you want to do. Possibility endless, bro. You see me? So, you don't know. Now the next video I'm showing how I deal with it. How I make it, how I chop them out, everything. You dig? Bam!